Have you ever heard of the EGR system? If not, then you are in the right place. In today's video, we will break down what the EGR system is, how it works, and why it's so important for your car engine and the environment. EGR stands for exhaust gas recirculation. It's a system that recirculates a portion of your car exhaust gases back into the engine intake system. When fuel burns in the engine, it produces extremely hot gases, including harmful pollutants like nitrogen oxide NOx. These gases contribute to air pollution and smoke. The EGR system helps reduce NOx emission, but how does it do that? Let's take a closer look. The EGR valves redirect some of the exhaust gas back into the intake manifold. These gases mix with fresh air and go back into the combustion chamber. This lowers the combustion chamber, which directly reduces the formation of NOx gases. There are mainly two types of EGR system: internal EGR, external EGR. Modern cars often use electronic EGR valve for better control and efficiency. Benefit of the EGR system: reduces NOx emission, helps control engine temperature, makes the vehicle more environmentally friendly, can improve fuel efficiency in some cases. But like every system, EGR isn't perfect. If the EGR valve gets clogged or stuck, it can cause issues like loss of engine power, rough idling or misfiring, black smoke from the exhaust. So the EGR system may be small, but it plays a big role in keeping your engine clean and efficient and helping the planet breathe easier. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comment what the engine system you do like us to explain next.